That's wild.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious.
What is going on, you guys? How are y'all doing? Hopefully you guys are doing well. And today we are doing a video with Guerlamo's Spoon Sports S2K. Go ahead and give this a check out. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. And if you guys are not familiar with Guerlamo or my channel, I did a video with his S2K one other time. This is actually a part 2 because he has done upgrades to it since then. Now it's almost all the way fixed where it's running almost full power. So today we're gonna do a part 2 of a ride along and get my reaction to the new upgrades. This turbo is absolutely crazy. Got a, looks like a titanium valve cover. This thing is just crazy. Full carbon roof as well. Custom wide body kit and full custom fabrication in the engine bay as well. Alright guys, this is Guerlamo, or as known as El Kirby on Instagram. He's the owner of this beautiful Spoon Sports S2K. Mo, tell the audience what's done to your car.
From the last time, I guess from the last time you guys saw it, was still on the original motor, same turbo kit. I'm still kind of on the same turbo kit except got all the exhaust done. We got a hood dump now. Okay. But other than the motor swap, we did a K swap now. So
Sweet.
Fully built K24, JVR head, fully built bonnet man, everything but sleeved.
Cool.
So it's fully built now. Both wanted to build a K series, so this time finally came, and here we are. And you know, I'm kind of happy where it's at right now. You know.
And what's the power you're making now?
450.
450. Sweet. Well, yeah, you guys, if you guys don't remember seeing part 1, we were making, you said 380?
380-400.
Yeah, 380-400 to the wheels, and now, like I mentioned, he's upped the power a little bit more, so we're going to get a ride reaction and go for a ride. Whoa! That's crazy loud. Alright, so we're going to head to Mo's shop real quick and drop my car off there, and then from there we're going to get in Mo's S2K and go for a ride. So for those of you that haven't seen the first one and are just watching this one, I'll give you guys a peek of his interior, but check this out. Carbon door canards, bucket seats, super cool. Super low to the ground as well. But alright, we're going to hop in and go for a rip. Alright, go ahead and look at the inside, you guys. This is crazy. Got a full roll cage, gutted and everything. That's wild. I forgot what it was like in this car.
Yeah,
it feels so tight in here.
It's been a while. I remember I cut my hair.
Yeah.
I had a bad haircut, so I had him chop it off.
That's funny. No, I've had that one time where I tried to tell a barber, hey, do it this way, and they accidentally cut me too short. It's like, that's not what I wanted.
You might just chop it off.
Exactly. Alright, Mo's gonna get on it. What's crazy is you're gonna see the fuel vapors come out of the hood too. I'll just show you guys in a second. He's gonna get on it. Hopefully the microphone does good and not get wind noise. Whoa! It definitely has some torque to it now.
Yeah,
holy crap! What's the torque at now?
300. Yeah, about 300.
Jeez, that was wild. vapors coming out, but I hope you can. That's so wild. Do you feel a night and day difference from what it was before?
Definitely, yeah. A lot torqueier.
That's crazy. You handle the car really well when you drift. That's so awesome.
It's been a while.
Do you do drift events at all? No? You just teach yourself? That's cool. Whoa.
Seems one to whip out, huh?
It does. It sounds so good. And that turbo whistle, I'm hoping you guys can really hear it. It is just so cool. Hopefully that didn't peak my microphone, but I'm assuming it did. That's wild. All right, so do you have any other plans for the car? Like, what do you want to do next to it and everything?
Well, one example right here is I'm finishing the hood. Pretty much came cracked when I bought it. I'm just getting it pretty much redone right now and gonna get it wrapped finally. So I didn't have it wrapped for like over a year.
Right.
I bought it like that. It was already like kind of paint matched. Like it had the Laguna blue paint, and it was kind of little like it seemed to work. Like you couldn't really tell in the videos that we were filming. But now we're finally getting wrapped. And then we gotta rewrap some more parts on the car. We gotta wrap this fender right here. It's cracked.
Oh.
Yeah, I was on blown suspension before. That's why every time I fixed this twice. No matter how many times I raised the car, it would just I couldn't raise it anymore. It just wouldn't raise.
Is that
up.
fiberglass?
Yeah, it's fiberglass.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeesh.
Now I gotta get tires. As you can tell, it does not grip.
Yeah, right. Yeah, I'm sure you guys saw that as we were sliding around. That was crazy.
Yeah, it does not grip at all.
Any other plans for like performance wise, or you like it where it's at and you're gonna keep it like that for now?
We're gonna eventually upgrade turbos again because this is a used one. I could either rebuild this, but I think ball bearing should be. This is a journal right now, Gen 1 precision 6262, and I might go with like another 62 millimeter. Probably keep the compressor because I love the whistle. The T51R mod.
The whistle sounds so good.
And then the hood dumps definitely going away. We're gonna do a fender exit.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's temporary. The manifold is gonna get a whole different turbo kit. Getting it done by a Bell, Fat Bin Parts. I don't know if you know him.
Okay, I'll have to look him up.
Yeah, he does very good fucking stainless. He does titanium now too, so it's
okay, sweet.
Yeah, I might ask him to redo my charge pipe, but we'll see.
And then who was it that did all the custom fabrication work on your car?
Well, currently I had Zach do it at VIP.
Okay.
So he helped me do the hood exit, helped me do the fuel lines, helped me with just the little stuff to just button it up, help me out, and everybody pretty much helped out the VIP performance. Jay as well, John.
And who tuned it?
Zach as well.
Zach, okay, cool.
Yeah, he tuned it last time.
Yeah, Zach over at VIP Performance. If you guys are looking for a good tuner, Wally, tuned by Wally, and Zach over at VIP Performance, they're both really, really well. And I know Mo's been going to them for a while, and I have a bunch of buddies that have been going to tuned by Wally as well. Both very, very good. Both know what the hell they're doing when it comes to cars. And obviously every tuner is different, but either one is gonna, you will walk away happy, I can promise that. And even Asmo, you're happy with how the car's running, huh?
Too much, dude. That was actually the first time like that I actually like got to rev it out. Because you know I've just been a little paranoid since I blew it up.
Right.
It's been a year, and I'm just like I'm not ready to blow this up again. I know it's built now, but I don't know. I still have that little insecurity of it.
Right, right.
But you know, it's a K series, so.
Right,
you know,
exactly.
$1,000 motor.
Yeah.
If this one blows out, I'm just going back. I'm just going stock K24.
There you go.
I just wanted to get a built motor and try it out, so I'm pretty satisfied with it.
Well, you guys, there you have it. I'm getting a notification that my battery is blinking and about to die, so hopefully I can get through this outro before it dies. So if you guys are not subscribed and following me on Instagram, go ahead, hit that follow and that subscribe button for more content. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next video. So, peace.